Hi, once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney, and today's video will be taking a look at a smart smoke alarm system from the guys at XS0B. This is the Link Plus Pro smart smoke alarm that comes with a base station. This bundle has 3 smoke alarms in it. So if you're on the market for a smart smoke alarm system that comes with instant app notification, audible voice alerts, and a couple of other features, then this should be under your radar. I'll be unboxing this guy and showing you guys what comes in the box, how to set it up, and any other features it has. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stay tuned. Today, we're unboxing and setting up the XS0B Link Plus Pro smoke alarm with the base station. I'm excited to see what's inside and how easy it is to get up and running. Right on the box, you can see some standout features. It's got a 10-year battery life, real-time alerts via the app, voice alert with location, and night mode supported. This smoke alarm and base station is perfect for anyone who wants peace of mind when it comes to fire safety. In the box, we've got the user manual and quick start guide. These are always handy, so don't toss them away yet. Next, we have the base station itself. It's got a sleek design, and I love the fact that it's compact enough to blend into any room without being an eyesore. Then we have the smoke alarm unit. It's also lightweight and feels solid. Definitely built to last for those 10 years they promise. Finally, you have your mounting hardware, USB-C cable and charger, and this is everything you need to get you started. Alright, step 1 is to plug the base station. Just connect it to your Wi-Fi, and once it's powered up, you'll see the indicator light flash. That means it's ready to sync with the smoke alarm. To sync your smoke alarm, just press and hold the test button until you hear a beep, and the base station should automatically recognize it.
Ready to connect. Ready to add a device.
With the device synced, you can use the XS0B app to customize your settings. You can set up alerts and check your battery levels. This is super convenient, especially if you want to stay on top of your home safety from anywhere.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound loudly. You can press the test silence button to cancel the test. Testing the smoke sensor. The test is finished. Normal working status.
The last step for you is probably to mount the smoke alarm. The included hardware makes it super easy to do so. Just a few screws and you're done. Make sure you place it in a central location like a hallway or near bedrooms for maximum coverage. That's it for the XS0B Link Plus Pro smoke alarm. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney. Stay tuned for more videos.